Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you one of the iPhone hidden features, and it's the Safari on 120 FPS. So go into the settings, then scroll down to apps, search for Safari, scroll all the way down to advanced, and once again all the way down to feature flags. Now we need to scroll to the R, and here is the R, and prefer page rendering updates near 60 FPS. Disable this option. This will make that the Safari is able to be on a 120 FPS. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.